Tuesday, 2026, about 33, 34 degrees. We're at Little Five Points in Atlanta, Georgia. This is Moreland Avenue. To our left is Ponce de Leon, down there about half a mile. Then it changes over to Briarcliff on the other side of Ponce. To our right takes you all the way down to you all know where. Here we are at the Junkman's Daughter. We're looking for the most interesting telephone pole with bubble gum, staples, and everything in it. So we're going to walk past Quartet and down Little Five. We were going in Junkman's Daughter, but it's closed on Monday and Tuesday. This is a favorite little window of mine. I've got some good pictures of this little window. Sun is bright, awfully nice winter day, but it is cool, going up to low 50s today, warming up. Please like, share, and subscribe. We plan on hitting the road. There we go, there's a picture of us. Plan on hitting the road for a road trip, heading down to maybe South Georgia, maybe into Florida later this week. Old Bass High School, the Bass Lofts are now down here on the right. Old A&P, Union Playhouse and the movie theater. Years ago there was an Ollie's Trolley over there where that Union 76 is. They were great burgers. Zesto's was I think one of the last Zesto's was across the street. Yeah, Pizza. Then Verda, Pizza Verda something. I wasn't planning on coming this far, but we may as well walk down through here now and then turn it off, wrap it up, I guess. Get past Old Bass High School. That Ragorama used to be the AMP right there. For about 3 months, this winter of 72, 73 until the new store in Conyers, Georgia opened. I went down there. Kids from the high school come across the street and steal everything they could get their paws on. We had to watch them very carefully. Okay folks, this video is going to be massive. File size is going to be massive anyway, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it up now. We're heading back to Arkansas.